Good morning. It's been a beautiful morning today. It's been gently and steadily raining. I finished off my workout and I was enjoying the rains from my balcony. Yesterday in the evening, I was going through LinkedIn and I came across a post by a gentleman who has photography as his hobby. He wrote that we all fall into monotony in our lives at regular intervals. In order to break monotony, we all should have some hobby which helps us break the monotony, helps us relieve ourselves of stress. Man, perfectly, he is absolutely said right. My thoughts were, if you have a hobby, would you like to live your life living your hobby? If yes, then is it just a hobby or is it your passion? If going to your hobby is a way to break your monotony in life or relieve yourself of stress for that duration of time, then isn't it living our lives in installments? If we are supposed to live a fulfilled life, then aren't we supposed to live our passion? If yes, then why aren't we doing it? I realized neither our schools, colleges, or any of our education systems teaches us how to identify your passion. It doesn't teach us how to pursue your passion. We are left to fend for ourselves for our passion. Some people realize, some people like me didn't realize till very late in our lives. Some people know from the very beginning what they love to do and they will pursue their passion as a profession. Now, how many of us would have been there? A lot of us, if I'm not wrong, fall into the first two categories. One, who don't know what is their passion is, who don't even know what passion is. And the second, laggards like me, who realize that there is something called as passion pretty late in their lives. I still consider myself lucky that there is something called as passion and I should be having a passion. It's been a long journey. I'll take it up sometimes. I'll share it with you sometime later. So at least one thing I've realized is, why not motivate the people around you or motivate the next generation who is around you, to help them identify their passion, work on their passion, and develop it as a profession also. Won't that be interesting? Do let me know your thoughts. Thank you. Have a great day.